Have you ever wondered how your brain processes sound and produces a response? Or wondered at toddler learning a new word, like mama? When you say mama, child's brain activates the motor programs for saying mama even before utter it coherently. This helps child's brain remember and recognize the word more quickly because your brain has already practiced how to say it. In the next few seconds, you'll learn about this fascinating process. Pressure wave of various speech and sound strikes the eardrum. Within ear, the waves moves tiny cells and the sound waves convert them into electrical signals. These signals travel through the auditory nerve to your brain. The brain interprets these signals, and the sound gets identified and understood. Brain activates motor program associated with producing those sounds and simulates the movements necessary to produce that sound. Integrates the acoustic information with the motor simulations to interpret and understand the speech. Finally, if necessary, the brain can activate the motor programs to produce speech in response to the perceived sounds. This completes the loop between speech perception and speech production. Message goes to tongue, lips, and vocal cord. The movement of air from lung is altered, and speech forms. This whole process happens in milliseconds. Ever thought about it this way? Hit the like button if you found this useful.